Well, it was a good and informative session, and for freshers like us, it helps us be not only good employees but better employees at our workplace. I'm looking forward for more such sessions.
It was a wonderful session. I enjoyed thoroughly, and I just want to say I've got a lot of inputs which will help me in the future.
Actually, it was a very good session. I got many things about our personalities. Expecting more these kind of sessions in the future.
Yeah, same thing. I also joined like a 1 month before, so I'm joined as software developer. I'm expecting more sessions on that topics related issues.
I've been attending this life skill session with the team, and we thought this was really useful, and we also started practicing these experiences, whatever we learned as part of this session. It could be like a teamwork, or it could be like a communication skills, or it could be a personality types. So these are really helpful for each one of us at different levels in the group as well as in the organization.